Hello guys, this is for you pile 1. So who is meant for you? So I can see no na ang so I can see na some of you guys will have someone na mas matanda sa kanya ng mga 5 years, and also itong taong to hardworking, siya, successful siya sa buhay. Lahat ng pinaplano niya is nagkakatotoo. So, ganun kalakas yung manifestation niya. Yung taong para sa inyo, guys, no? Hindi kayo papabayaang maghirap, hindi pababayaan yung responsibility niya. So, nakikita ko na, hold on. So, some of you, nakilala na tong taong to. Sa iba, this is your friend, one of your closest friends. If you have guy best friend na feeling nyo na you just can't admit it, pero may feelings kayo sa isa't isa. So, mapursige sila eh. It's like, hindi ka nila susuyuin o gagawing girlfriend if it's not for a long run, okay? So, yung taong para sa inyo is nakikita ko is, I can see you guys are compatible, ikakasal kayo, and also, nakikita ko na maganda yung pundasyon nyo as a family, and also, as a family, and also in your partnership, okay? So, this person could have a Leo, Gemini, Cancer, or Mercury in Leo, Gemini, Cancer. So it could be a Leo, Gemini, and Cancer. So what is the message from your person? Pile 1. It says, I just want you all the time. What do you want? And will you choose me? Alright. Kasi ngayon nakikita ko na yung iba sa kanila is hindi pa umaamin, and also may pinupursu pa sila. So, some of you guys are not yet in relationship. So, ayun. Medyo may pagka-obsess tong iba sa inyo, no? May pagka-obsess sila. Oo. Etong Gemini, Leo, and Cancer na to, nakikita ko to. May pagka-obsess sila is like, pag may ginusto kasi sila, gusto talaga nila. So, ganun yung energy na nakikita ko dito. So, guys, thank you so much. I hope na nag-resonates. Comment down below your reactions, or if it resonates with you guys. Thank you so much.